calculate inverse for this 3 cross 3 matrix. First I'll write this in augmented form. So that's 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, let me increase the font. Alright, so I have written this matrix and I have written the augmented form. Okay, now I'll make this matrix to become 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. At that time these numbers will get numbers will get transformed, correct? So this is nothing but the inverse. So let's do it. First one, say row 2, I need to make this as 0. That's my first step. So I'll copy these two as is, first row and second row. There is a small change. So second row I multiply by 2, so that second row and this 10 and 10 will get cancelled. So minus 10 multiply by 2, 2 into 2 4, 0 2 0. All right. Now row 2 and row 3, just add it. 0 2 minus 1 1, 4 minus 4 0, 0 2 and 1. All right. Now this 1 I need to make it 0. So first I will double it, or how do I make this 1 as 0? Let's think. One way is I multiply this by 2 and I add, so it becomes 0. Now I would like to make this minus 10 become 0. So first row I copy as is. I'll make this as, I'll multiply this by 8. Okay, so this will become minus 80, 2 into 8 16, 4 into 8 32, 0, 8 2s are 16, 0. Alright. I'll multiply by 10. So 10 into 8 80, minus 10 minus 10. Okay, now I'm going to add row 1 and row 2. So I copy as is, row 1 minus row 2 0, row 1 plus row 2. Okay, minus 10 plus 16 is plus 6, plus 2, simply write 2, 10 16 0. All right. I'll make this as 0. Okay, 0, 16 minus 10 6, 2, 10, 16, 0. Alright. Now I'll make this as 6 so that I can now subtract row 2 and row 3. Alright, so 0, this multiply by 6, multiply by 6, 6, 26, 12, 6. Alright. Zero minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 10 minus 0 is 10, 16 minus 12 is 4, 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Alright, I divide by 2 so that this will become 1. Divide by 2, okay. 2 by 2 is 1, 10 by 2 is 5, 4 by 2 is 2, minus 6, minus 3. I'll make this 2 to become 0 now. So I'll multiply this by 15, row 2 by 15. Is it a good idea? No. So let me not divide by 2. So I'm here, okay. I'll not divide by 2. Instead I keep it as is. Now I'll subtract row 2 and row 3. 0 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 6 minus 0 is 6, 2 minus 2 is 0, 10 minus 10 is 0, 16 minus 4 is 12, 0 minus of minus 6 is plus 6. Alright, now I divide, should I divide the second row by 6? Maybe at a later point I'll do. Now my next step, okay, let's simplify. Divide by 6. Alright, 6 by 6 is 1, 12 by 6 is 2, 6 by 6 is 1. I divide row 3 by 2. 0 by 2, 0, 0, this is 1, this is 5, this is 2, this is minus 3. Alright. This should be made 0, this should be made 0. So more than that, there is something to simplify. I divide row 1 by 10. This will become 8, this will become minus 1, minus 3, 1. Okay. Now my job is simple. I'll add row 1 and row 2 to make this position number as 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Minus 2, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3 only. This and this 1. This and this 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. Alright. 1. Now this I need to make it minus 3. So this I need to make it minus 3 so that this will become 0. Copy as is. This one 0 0 minus 3 minus 15 minus 6 plus 9. All right. Row 1 minus row 3. Okay, 8 minus 0 is 8, 0 minus 0 is 0, minus 3 plus 3 is 0, 1 minus of minus 15 is plus 16, so 16, 2 minus of minus 6 is plus 6, 2 plus 6 8, 1 minus of 9 is minus 8. Alright, now I divide row 1 by 8 and row 3 by minus 3 divided by 8, so this will become 1, this will become 2, this will become 1, this will become minus 1, divide by minus 3, so this will become 1, 5, 2, minus 3. Alright, so now I converted these 9 elements to unit matrix form. This will be the inverse of the given matrix. 2, 1, minus 1. Let's verify this answer. 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 1, 5, 2, minus 3. 0, 2, 1, 5, 2, minus 3. This is correct, okay? So I'll summarize. This is a given matrix. I calculated inverse, so I wrote in augmented matrix form. Now I'll eliminate 10. To do that, I'll make this number to become 10. Now eliminated. Next I eliminate this minus 10, so I eliminated minus 10. Alright, so what next? Next I need to eliminate this one. To do that, multiply by 6, eliminated. Okay, next I need to eliminate what? This number, so eliminated. Alright, I'll make this to 1 divide by 6, so this also divide by 2, this divide by 10, so I simplified. Next I need to make this one to become 0, so 0. Next this one I need to make 0, so made 0. Next divide by 8, so that this will become 1. So I'll re-summarize. First focus on this number, attack this number, make it 0. Next 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 attack this number, make it 0. Alright, we calculate the inverse. This is the inverse. Alright, thank you.